Hi everyone, welcome back to Jewelry Making Fun collaboration hosted by Dahlia Designs, Jewelry and More, aka Deb Hoax Crafty Cottage here on YouTube. Everyone that's participating will be in the description box. You can go ahead and check them out. So for the month of August, first of all, can you believe we're in August already? And it's the middle, beyond the middle of the month. Anyway, for this month, we were to use two of the following colors: crimson, mulberry, meadow lake, or artichoke. So we have two other challenges. A lot of them have to do with gems, gemstones. I don't have a lot of gemstones, so I rarely talk about those. But the second one is Deb has been telling a story throughout the whole time for challenge number three. Like one was like, it's winter or the birds are chirping. But this one it says, wow, we're still in the dog days of summer and it's hot here. However, everything is so bright and colorful outside, it's almost blinding. Use neon brights in your pieces. So, I didn't have any of the neat quote unquote neon brights for those colors either, but I did have this thing, and I think I got it from, I don't know, I don't remember where I got it from. I don't think I got it from Mike Walmart because some of the packages was open and then some of them had this. So I'm not sure. Unless I did get it from Walmart and it had been opened by someone who maybe returned it. I don't know. Anyway, I chose to use this color right here. Excuse that glare. I use this color right here and purple and green. And some seed beads right here. And these little ones right here. And I created these three pairs of earrings, two danglies, and well, they're all dangly, but these look like Halloween colors to me. So I went more like that kind, so green and purple. But I did a little dangle because I tried to put one whole row on the jump ring, the eye pin that I had, and it was too short. So yeah, there we are. So yeah, I like these a lot. These are very cool looking. I can see myself wearing these right here, probably the smaller ones, because I don't like a lot of too long. And these little pieces are bound to get caught in something. A strand of hair that's gonna have my neck crooked over. Anyway, please click on the description box to see what everyone else has created. I want to say thank you for watching, and until next time, happy crafting.